What were the orphan trains?
The term orphan trains refers to the trains that took poor urban children to Midwestern and Western states to be placed with foster parents. The original program was started by Charles Loring Brance of the Children's Aid Society and soon had many imitators. It began around 1850 and lasted for nearly 80 years. The number of children estimated to have been placed out on the orphan trains is over 250,000. My name is Marie de Baldock, and I am the curator of manuscripts at the New York Historical Society.